Welcome to Edge's fifth channel. Let us discuss the question. If an atom has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d3, 4s2, it will be placed in option A second group, option B third group, option C fifth group, option D sixth group. So let us find the solution. First we will learn how to find group number. Okay, so group identification. Group identification. So if electronic configuration of an element is given, then well and good. Instead of electronic configuration, element name or atomic number of an element is given. Then first thing is you have to write its electronic configuration. So based on electronic configuration, we can able to identify its group. Okay. So first we will write its electronic configuration. In electronic configuration, first we have to identify that valence electrons enters into which orbital. Okay, let us consider the electron enters into s orbital. Okay, s orbital, its maximum capacity is 2 electron. Okay, it may be 1 or 2, s1 or s2 configuration. So if the configuration is s1, that is if valence electrons enter into s orbital, that is s1 configuration, then it belongs to first group of the periodic table. If the configuration is s2, then electron enters into second group of the periodic table. Group number 1 and 2 belongs to s block of the periodic table. Next, we will consider p orbital. Okay, p orbital, its maximum capacity is 6 electrons. Okay, it may be from 1 to 6. It may be p1, p2, p3, p4, p5 or p6 configuration. And we know group number 13 to 18 belongs to p block. Okay, if the valence electron enters into p orbital, then how to find the group? Group identification is 10 plus number of valence electron. Okay, this is the formula to find group number. Okay, that is 10 plus number of valence electrons. So let us consider the first case, that is P1 configuration. If it is P1 configuration, then it belongs to which group? Okay. So here 10 plus 3, because here it is S2 configuration. So we have to count the number of electron present in S as well as P. Okay, these electrons we have to consider it as valence electrons. So here 2 plus 1, it is 3. 10 plus 3, so it belongs to 13th group of the periodic table. If it is P2 configuration, then 10 plus 4, so it belongs to 14th group. If it is P3 configuration, then it is 10 plus 5. How come it is 5? In s orbital 2, p orbital 3. So 10 plus 5, 15th. If it is P4 configuration, then it is 10 plus 6. So it belongs to 16th group. For P5 configuration, it is 10 plus 7. So it belongs to 17th group. And for P6 configuration, it is 10 plus 8. So it belongs to 18th group of the periodic table. So this is for P orbital. Next, we will consider d block elements, that is, if the valence electron enters into d orbital, then how to identify group. D orbital maximum capacity, it is 10 electrons, so it may be from 1 to 10. And group number 3 to 12 of the periodic table belongs to d orbital. So for d orbital, we have group identification is it is 2 plus number of electrons in d orbital. This is the formula, 2 plus number of electrons in d orbital. So let us consider d1 configuration. Okay, the d orbital contains 1 electron, then it is 2 plus 1, 3. For d2 configuration, it is 2 plus 2, so it belongs to fourth group. If it is d3 configuration, then it is 2 plus 3, so it belongs to fifth group of the periodic table. So for last configuration, that is T10, it is 2 plus 10, so it belongs to 12th group of the periodic table. Okay, in the given question, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d3, 4s2. So 4s is completely filled. So we can say that valence electron enters into 3d orbital, that is d orbital. Valence electrons enters into d orbital. For d orbital, we have 2 plus number of electrons in d orbital. That is the formula to find the group number. Okay. Yeah. Valence electron in d orbital, we will find it is 3 because it is 3d3 configuration. So now let us write the formula. Number of electrons in d orbital plus 2. Group identification, therefore group number becomes 2 plus 3, because number of electrons in d orbital is 3. It is 3d3 configuration. So 2 plus 3, it belongs to fifth group of the periodic table. So option C is the right one. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.